Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cash App crypto withdrawal tutorial. Start by opening Cash App and tapping the Bitcoin tab on your home screen. Here you will see your Bitcoin balance and options for buying, selling, or withdrawing. To withdraw crypto, tap Withdraw Bitcoin or Send Bitcoin. Depending on your app version, you will need the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address. Make sure to double check this address carefully as crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. You can specify it in BTC or your local currency. Next, confirm the transaction details and tap confirm or send. Cash App may ask you to enter your PIN or use biometric verification to authorize the withdrawal. The Bitcoin will be sent to the wallet address you provided. Depending on network traffic, it can take from a few minutes up to an hour to process. Keep in mind that Cash App charges a small network fee for withdrawals. This fee is displayed before you confirm, so you know exactly what you will pay. If you are new to crypto withdrawals, it's a good idea to start with a small amount to make sure everything goes smoothly. And that's it. Withdrawing cryptocurrency from Cash App is simple when you follow their steps. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell before going. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.